Usman. We're officially 2 days out from our first natural body competition. It's not his first one, it's Octavio. Octavio's competing in men's bodybuilding, and I'm in team physique. So, what do you think? Jump the quads. See what it says, super blue shot. Ready? 28 years old.
Man, it's gonna be my first show in 6 years.
6 years.
My third show ever. Fourth show ever. I got you first place so far, so I'm trying to go for that first place, man.
Alright, man. So, Metro Flex athlete.
Metro Flex, baby.
Men's bodybuilding, men's physique. Let's do it.
Saturday, November 3rd.